The first one comes from listener David, who wrote in and said, your recent conversation about AI coding prompted me to follow up with you about the basketball app that I created that you discussed on the show a few months ago. He says, before the current season started, I decided maybe a few other people might find it useful. So I used Replit and put a front end on it. I used their integration with Stripe and shared it out on a couple of Facebook groups for high school sports streamers and broadcasters. He says response has been great. I have 30 or 40 people paying for some of the premium features and about 150 total users. This is something he just AI vibe coded. Yep. He said after some growing pains, i.e. figuring out how to optimize database calls and other things I knew nothing about, he says the app is being used at schools who stream their games all over the country.
Incredible.
The best part is I can take feedback and add features almost daily if I think they would make sense and would be useful. This is the biggest benefit of vibe coding is bug fixes and feature additions do not take months, right?
Yeah, so you don't have to go back and
reinvent
it. Yeah, that's huge, dude.
Yeah. He said, getting the app in the hands of other people has made it far better than I ever anticipated, and it does things I never even thought of trying for myself, but I now use those new features too. He says, I haven't broken even on it yet, but I have baseball and football apps in the works, and I really think this might turn into a real thing. The best part is I can load up YouTube on any given night and find a basketball game where I know they are using my app, and that's pretty cool.
Dude,
he says,
congratulations.
He says, no need to share it on the show. Well, I'm going to. He says, but if you want to take a look, it's at pressrowhoops.com, and there's a link in the show notes already. That's awesome, David. Congrats.
Yeah, congratulations, David. The big for me is that you took action. You know, you needed something for yourself first, right? You want to solve a problem for yourself, and then you built out on it. It's huge.